Hey there, fruit fans! Today we're talking about the humble plum, and all the amazing health benefits it has to offer. First up, let's talk about the nutritional goodness that plums pack. These babies are low calorie, and low carb. But don't let their small size fool you. Plums are packed with vitamins and minerals like vitamin C, vitamin K, and potassium. High vitamin C helps boost immunity, and potassium helps reduce blood pressure. Vitamin K contributes to bone density, which prevents osteoporosis. Now tell me, do you suffer from high sugar levels? Then, plum is the best choice for you. Because plums have a low glycemic index, which means they don't cause a rapid spike in blood sugar levels. They are also rich in fiber, which helps slow down the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream. This makes plums an ideal fruit for people with diabetes, or those looking to manage their blood sugar levels. Now, let's talk about poop. Yeah, nobody likes to talk about it, but it's important. Plums are rich in sorbitol and isotin, two compounds that act as natural laxatives and promote healthy bowel movements. Also, one medium plum contains around 1 gram of fiber, which prevents constipation and prevents risk of colon cancer. Okay, let's get serious for a minute. Skin of plums are loaded with antioxidants, such as chlorogenic acid and anthocyanins. These tiny superheroes protect your body from free radicals and help prevent chronic diseases like cancer, diabetes, and heart disease. And last, but not least, plums are rich in soluble fiber, which binds to cholesterol and removes it from the body, reducing the risk of heart disease. In conclusion, plums may not be the most glamorous fruit, but they're definitely worth adding to your diet. So why not pick up some plums today, and start enjoying all the health benefits they have to offer. Thank you for watching, and see you in next video.